First thing you're going to need to do is go to FileZilla, which is at filezilla-project.org. Click on the download link, find which version you want, download and install. Once you've installed it and open it up, here's what you see. Where it says host here, this is where you would put your domain name. Where it says username, this is where you would put the username that the hosting provider gave you for FTP access or for your cPanel. And then you would put the password here that your hosting provider gave you, and then you would hit Quick Connect. Click Quick Connect, and you'll see that it is connected to our site here. And over on this side, this is our remote site or our server. And on this side, we have our own computer. Now, if we expand this side, you'll see it brings up another list of files. On this particular server, all web documents are kept inside public_HTML. So if we click here, you can see what's inside there. This side, this is our local computer, so you can grab anything you want from over here to download it. So let's say we're going to download something off the E drive, and let's drag that up a little bit. This way, we can see what's inside there. Now, when we click on the directory here, we see our files down here, and we have the same thing going on over on this side. So when we click on HTML, you can see what's in it down here as well. If we were to click on one of these up here, you'll see that the contents are shown down here if there were any. Now to upload a file, all you have to do is pull it into the queue, like so. And what we mean by uploading is taking from our computer up to our server. Downloading means taking from our server down to our computer. So here's how we do it. We'll pick this file, and we'll find a smaller one here. So we'll take this, drag it down here into the queue. Okay, so this is our server here. And here is our file that we're going to upload. So all we have to do is go up here and click on the queue to toggle the processing. And there it went. So now it's over here where we wanted to put it. Now say we want to download that file to our own computer. And we're just going to download it into, we'll bring the desktop back up. So all we do is bring it down here. Then hit the toggle button. And if we look in here now, there it is at the bottom there. So that's how simple it is to upload and download files. And you can upload any type of file you want to your server, and you can download any type of file you want to. Website files are in HTML format or PHP file format usually. They can also be in CGI format. We're going to talk about that a little later, but that's how you get things up and down from your computer to your server, and from your server back down to your computer. In this part of the video series, we're going to go over creating web pages. This is not going to be a comprehensive lesson, but I'm going to show you how some of the things work. Now let's start with some tags. Tags format your text. For instance, if we were to just type plain text in here, and we'll save this. Now we'll refresh our browser, and there's what you see, unformatted text. Now what we're going to do, we'll bring this back up, And we're going to leave this here because we're going to come back to it and we're going to do some formatting experiments on it. What we're going to talk about now is the title tag, which is like this. That begins a tag, and then to make the tag end, you have to put another one after it with a slash in front of it like this. Now anything in between these two tags will show up on the top of your browser in the title part. So let's make this title test page title. Now let's save this, and then I'll refresh the browser. And you see up here under the title bar, it says test page title, which is what we typed in the source right here. We also have headline tags. For instance, if we were to want to make this our headline, it's a big headline on top of our web page, we just have to put some tags around it. So all we have to do is bring up the source here. And what we'll do is we'll go H1 at the beginning slash H1. At the end like that, we'll make this our H1 tag. So if we refresh this now, you'll see that it is